Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. Another episode of the Backyard Warrior. And today I'm making some roast beef. Here I have some eye round, almost 10 pound. Select, nothing fancy. This stuff from Costco. So I'm gonna trim this. First we need to get it out of this bag. Get rid of all this stuff. Pat this piece of meat. Let it dry. Now for the trimming, I'm gonna start with this fat cap first and then finish off with the silver skin and just round it to give it a nice shape. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. We're not saving this stuff, it's just skin. Same thing to the other side. And now that this thing is a little bit clean, made it a little bit uniform, got rid of all the fat. I left a little bit of this skin, I'm not worried about it. It's gonna melt in the smoker. So now what I'm gonna do is dry brine this overnight and cook it tomorrow. And by dry brining I mean just coat it with salt. Go liberally. It's a big chunk of meat. I like to do the dry brine on red meat. And tomorrow we're gonna add some seasoning to it. And now in the fridge it goes until tomorrow. I think this should be enough to start my fire. my rub here, this is a no salt rub. I have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, I have pepper, cumin, coriander, a little bit of turmeric. So anything but salt. Since we salted this yesterday, so we don't need to salt it again. Now we're just gonna spray a little olive oil as a binder. Now we're gonna apply my rub liberally on this. Alright, this is ready for a smoker. The game plan for this one is to smoke it until medium rare, maybe medium, and to slice it and make some roast beef sandwich. So now I'm gonna place my roast in the far left here for now. I put it on this so I can just easy rotate or move it around. Since I have another piece of meat that's going in the smoker a little bit, I might move this to this side. So for now it sits here until the other piece of meat is ready. So it's been a couple of hours already. We're still cooking around 250. Got my wood right here. Now we're gonna check on the roast and temp it, see what it is. The roast looking good. Has nice color to it. I'll probably flip it. Let's see. Yeah, all around nice color, no char or anything. 105, 106. We still got a little bit way to go. I want to take this to 135 and 2 hours already, almost done. I give it another hour. All right, 3 hours went by. Oh wow, and this thing is looking beautiful. Right, that crust nice all around. A little bit of char in here, that's okay. Nice. I love the color on it. I don't even need to sear this anymore. 139, the deepest point 140. That's exactly what I'm shooting for. So this thing is done. It took 3 hours. We got nice color, a nice medium in the deepest point. I think the outer would be probably a little bit done, but all right. So this is finished. I'm gonna let this rest for a couple hours before I slice into it, okay? So my prime rib, my roast rested for a little bit. I'd say over an hour already. And now we're making some horseradish sauce. Let's start with some sour cream. I have some prepared horseradish. Have some mayo as well. Salt. White pepper. And then mix everything together. The taste. Wow. Very good. Now, my bun's toasted. A generous amount of sauce. We're gonna slice into it. Just go halfway. There you go. Very nice. I'd say good medium. I wouldn't say medium rare, but nice smoke ring. Texture is nice. Crust is good. Now we're gonna do some thin slices. Just like shaving the meat. Enough for a sandwich. That should be good. That beautiful. Nice. Take the top one and just scrape all the juices. Now, now we're gonna cut this in half. Very good. Nice. Wow, this thing is beefy, tender, better than anything you can buy at the store. This is it for this one. Thank you for tuning in again. Until the next one, stay safe. Bye bye.